First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
And across the valley this afternoon, it is some sunshine around 80s in the forecast today, and it is, well, a warm day for November still. No record highs or anything out there. A little warmer as we go toward this weekend and getting a little more humid. And so that means some warmer nights as well, both day and night. Next cold front due in here on Monday. And Monday is a chance to cool off a little bit, much like the last cold front that came through, if you remember, back on Sunday night and Monday. Here I am. It is going to be a small drop in temperatures, but we're not expecting any big blasts of cold air or big rain chances coming back soon. Humidity's kind of been kept in check the last few days. The dew points have been sneaking up a little higher, though, getting into the bottom end of the humid category. So, again, it will be a little more humid each day, I think, as we get toward the weekend, but not all out muggy. And you kind of look at this trend here. Here's where we are now, and the humidity kind of just creeps its way a little bit higher and a little bit higher into the weekend, and it may start to dip a little bit on Monday. But again, like I said, with the next cold front, we're not expecting a big cool down or big chances of rain. Now, I'll get in more to this tomorrow. If you tune in about this time, I promise some cool, flashy graphics. I'll make something good and expand on this topic. But we're setting up still for some very dry weather in the future, and this may be one of the driest Novembers. This is McAllen data from the airport, which started in 1962, I believe. A trace, 0.02 and 0.03. Those are the lowest amounts recorded for the entire month of November. We've had zero so far in McAllen, but the trace months back, well, that's less than 0.01. That was 1981, 1975, and 1966. You see, back in November of 2016, we had only 0.02 inches the entire month, and not much more than that in 1994. So we may be in that territory if we don't get some rain here soon. Most of the valley has been very dry in November. Future track does show not much today. A few puffy clouds come through, mostly sunny skies, not too much humidity, and highs in the 80s. Tonight will still be fairly comfortable again. Maybe a couple degrees warmer or so than last night, but a few clouds here and there, but lows generally in the upper 50s and lower 60s by morning, and dry weather. Notice tomorrow is almost a repeat of today. A few puffy clouds, otherwise mostly sunny again. Highs back mostly in the 80s. Friday is maybe a small change. There's a little more moisture in the air coming in. That might be just enough. You see on Future Track here, it shows like 1 or 2 little showers. Again, there might be a little bit, might as in don't get your hopes up. And even if there is some rain, we're talking, tiny amounts, I think, a few hundredths of an inch in just a couple spots. But yeah, again, not a big rainmaker anywhere in sight. In fact, if you look at the rainfall forecast, this is using the European model, but this is starting Thursday, and you can see it shows all zeros. And as we go through Friday, shows barely any rain. As we go through Saturday, as it adds up the total all those days, it still shows barely any rain. If we let this play out, there's Sunday, there's Monday, there's Tuesday, there's a week from now, and it still shows almost no rain. I mean, the numbers on here are just tiny, 0.01, 0.02. So again, it gets the idea going that it's still going to be dry for some time. So at least the weather's nice to be outdoors. So the weekend, highs around 85 on Saturday, 87 on Sunday. And you look at the rain chances up here in the corner, 10% on Sunday. I mean, again, there might be a sprinkle on Saturday. That is Sunday, a 20% chance, and that's mainly probably later in the evening as the weak cold front gets closer. Still, I think Sunday overall is a mainly dry and warm day out there. So the weekend, again, a little warmer and a little more humid, but still for the most part dry with any showers mostly not here, and what are here are very light. Today, a high of 83, mostly sunny skies, still fairly comfortable humidity, light winds turning more toward the east this afternoon. Otherwise, just kind of looks like that out there. And then by tonight, still clear skies in the evening. There might be some clouds late at night, and as the humidity increases a little bit, but lows near 60 degrees. Some areas will still make it into the upper 50s again. There were a lot of places in kind of the mid to upper 50s this morning, so it could be a couple degrees warmer than it was this morning. But the First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, a very slow, slight warming trend into the weekend. You see 83 today and tomorrow, 84 on Friday, 85 on Saturday, and 87 on Sunday. So again, a slight warm up, and the night times get a little bit warmer with the increase in humidity. And again, we write a few showers there you see on the weekends, but don't let that dissuade you from being outside. I think the weekend primarily is dry. If there is a shower or two around, it's most likely Sunday overnight or Monday morning or so when that weak cold front comes through. And it is a weak one. See how we go from 87 on Sunday back down to 81 for a high on Monday and 82 on Tuesday. So again, a very slight cool down. We're talking more about Thanksgiving I know Dina's still interested. It is still looking pretty warm. I'll show you that forecast coming up again later this hour here on Channel 5 News at noon.